Okay, so this is our school library. Initially you can see the reading space. This is the reading space of the library. As per the norms 1 is to 5, at present we have 1521 books with us. We have regular periodicals which you can see displayed over here. Then we also have 4 newspapers which come to us. We have one English newspaper, the Hitwada. Then we have Marathi newspaper, which are 2 in numbers, and one Hindi news daily. Accordingly, we offer 4 newspapers to the children to read. As per the regular timetable, the children are given 1 period in a week for library. Mayur is the librarian, and you can see the issuance registers. We can show you the registers. Prior to that, kindly have a look at Cybrary. This year we started with Cybrary, where there are 2 computers, and here the students can conduct the online reading. Here we have the connect of internet, but this reading will be done under the surveillance of the teacher and the librarian. Here you can see Mayur. Mayur is the librarian with our school, and these are the books what we tend to have. Mayur, can you tell them what are these books? Yeah. Be a bit loud and tell what are the books here.
These are the accession books. Yeah. 1521. They are the accession is last. 1521.
Okay. Issuance.
Then student issue register. They are first standard, second, third. No, 16.
Teachers issuance quickly.
BT card issue register. This.
Okay. Now on these racks you can see the books displayed. We have books right from the age of pre-primary to 8th standard, and every year we can keep on adding. This part of our library, when you come from this part of library, this is our maths lab, which is very much supportive for grade 1 to 10. Also the students of pre-primary also can use the teaching aids over here for their development of mathematics and their understanding of the concepts. Now we are moving towards science lab. So can we go a bit fast? Now we are moving towards science lab. The science lab what we have is a composite science lab. This is on the first floor. We have library, and mostly the labs are on the first floor. That is library, the science lab, the computer lab, and the maths lab. All are located on the first floor. Now we are moving towards the school science lab. As I said, it's a composite lab. Here we go. Okay. These are our labs. Ms. Archana Sapate, she is the HOD of science. She conducts mostly all the practicals. Archana, can you explain the resistors, please?
Hello sir, hello ma'am. I'm Ms. Archana Sapate. So this is our science lab, and here we conduct various experiments on regular basis. So we take to the students in the lab whenever they have practicals, and we keep the record of practicals here. So this is the stock register. Here we enter all the apparatus and chemicals. Then this is a record where we enter, we will make entry of all the experiment which we conduct on regular basis. And this is science lab register. So this here we write all the activities, science lab activities we write here on regular basis. Okay,
Thank you so much. Sir, let me show you. Okay, physics, chemistry. Okay, yeah, this is chemistry, and then we have the bifurcation for bio. You can see we have the required specimens as well as the other material, microscope as well. Now we move to the next part of the school.
पाच वीस झाले नाही तर पुन्हा काढावं लागेल व्हिडिओ 10 मिनिटात 15 मिनिटं झाल्यानंतर पुन्हा काढावं लागेल.
We are going to the second floor where the proposed classrooms of grade 9 and 10 would be. Basically, second floor has been built this year. The construction took place.
टॉयलेटच नाही. वरचे टीचरला बसायचं नाही मॅडम क्लासमध्ये बसायचं नाही.
Okay. This is the classroom for grade 6.
तिथून आतमध्ये.
This is the 6th standard classroom. Okay. This is grade 7. Okay. This is grade 8.
आतमध्ये जाऊन मॅडम.
Now we are going to the washroom areas. This is the boys' washroom. As you can see, it is as per the specifications and norms. We also have for the CWS and children. This is Indian style and then. Okay. All are wall. This is wall mounted. Of course, we offer the proper wash areas. You can see the hand wash areas also. This is where we go to the ladies' toilets. This is the female wash area. This is as per the specification. Hand wash areas and areas for demarcation. It is for the CWS and children. All with wall mounted fixtures. Then these are the. This is for Indian style. Okay. Let us go to the proposed classrooms for grade 9 and 10 for this year. This is a newly constructed area. You can see everywhere the fire extinguishers as well. This is the proposed classroom for grade 5.
Grade 9.
Sorry, it's grade 9. I'm so sorry, sir. Okay. Now, as you can see, all the classrooms are supported with AV boards. Owing to COVID, actually, we didn't get the complete fixtures, but we'll be receiving the green boards and the pigeonholes as well as the cupboards for the teachers. Okay. And then now we go to the proposed classroom for grade 10. This is an empty classroom which we will be using for grade 10. It's a spacious classroom, big enough to accommodate 40 children. Thank you so much. Thank you.
कट कर.